Check engine light on. You don't need to panic or pay $100 just to know what's wrong. This little tool, the OBD2 Scanner, can save you time, money, and stress. Let me show you why every car owner needs one. An OBD2 Scanner plugs into your car's diagnostic port. It reads the codes from your car's computer system and tells you exactly what's going on: engine issues, sensor problems, emissions, and more. Here's why you need it. Save money. Skip the mechanic just to read error codes. Instant answers. Know if it's a minor issue or something serious. Monitor live data, RPM, fuel trim, coolant temp, battery health all in real time. Reset warning lights. After fixing the issue, clear the check engine light yourself. Used car check. Buying a used car, plug it in and check for hidden problems. There are affordable options starting from $10. You can use Bluetooth ones with your smartphone or go for a handheld model. Just make sure it's compatible with your car model. Most cars after 1996 are supported. Don't wait for a breakdown or a surprise repair bill. Get yourself an OBD2 Scanner. It's like having a mechanic in your glove box. Like if this helped you, subscribe for more car hacks and comment below if you've used an OBD2 Scanner before.